Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to stop Facebook videos from automatically blaring audio. Open the Facebook app if it has not already been done. Tap the three lines. Tap down to Settings and Privacy. Tap it, and then tap Settings. Tap down to Media and Contacts. Tap it. Then tap the first option, which should be videos in Newsfeed start with sound. If it worked, the slider button should have turned from blue to grey.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Riley. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.